Feeling the pinch and need cash right now? What if you could get money sent to you instantly, without fees or delays? That's what Chime's Pay Anyone feature is all about. It's a game changer for anyone who needs to receive money fast, whether it's from a friend paying you back or family sending you cash. And the best part? It works even if the person sending you money isn't on Chime. So, how does it work? It's simple. If a Chime member sends you money, it's deposited into your account instantly. You don't have to do a thing. It's just there. Now, if the person paying you is not a Chime member, they'll get a text or email with a link to claim the funds. All they have to do is click that link, enter their debit card information, and the money gets transferred to their bank account instantly. No fees, no fuss. You can also use the Chime app to request money from other Chime members. Just open the app, go to the Pay tab, and tap Request. Search for the person, enter the amount, and send the request. Once they approve it, the money will be in your account instantly. It's all about making your financial life easier and faster. No more waiting around for bank transfers to clear. You get paid, and you get paid now. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.